Hello students, in last video I have explained the expenditure method for national income accounting. In that method I told you that by this method we can estimate national income in term of NDP, MP or GDP MP, and the net or the gross value depends on the domestic capital formation which is given in term of net or gross. If the domestic capital formation is given in term of net, then the national income which will be estimated by this method will be the net domestic at market price. Okay, and if we are given the gross domestic capital formation, in that condition the estimation of national income will be in the term of GDP at MP. In the last of that video, I gave a numerical problem for self-assessment of students. So many students have solved that question, but few are having some doubts. So I am here in this video with the solution of that numerical problem. This is the question, that is, calculate national income from the following, and all the values are given rupees in Arab. First term which is given, net imports, net current transfers to abroad, net imports are 60, net current transfers to abroad, that is 10, net domestic fixed capital formation, government final consumption expenditure, private final consumption expenditure, that is 700, consumption of fixed capital 70, net change in stock, net factor income to abroad, and net indirect taxes. All these values are given, and the solution for this numerical problem is, first of all, we have to write the formula. What is the formula to calculate national income? First of all, look at the values which are given. All the values are given. First of all, we have to focus on the domestic capital formation. Domestic capital formation directly it is not given in our question, but instead of that value we are given net domestic fixed capital. Net domestic fixed capital formation, by adding this value with change in stock, net change in stock, we will get net domestic capital formation. Okay, so domestic capital formation value is given in term of net. That's why we estimate the national income in term of NDP at MP. The value will be measured in term of NDP FC. In term of NDP FC. क्यों होगा NDP-FC में? फिर से मैं आपको बता देती हूँ एक बार. The national income will be estimated in term of NDP-FC as the domestic capital formation is given in term of net fixed capital formation at domestic level plus net change in stock. Both the values are given in term of net. That's why we will use net term here. Okay, and our formula to calculate NDP at MP is government final consumption expenditure plus private final consumption expenditure plus net fixed domestic capital formation plus change in stock and plus net exports. But in our question we are not having net exports. In term of instead of net export we have net imports. So net imports and net exports are both are equal, but if we will use net import then we have to put negative sign here. Okay, now we will put all the values in this formula, just like government final consumption expenditure is mentioned 200, private final consumption expenditure is given 700 plus net fixed domestic capital formation is given 300, net domestic fixed capital formation it is given 300, चेंज इन स्टॉक इज मेंशन्ड ऑलरेडी, दैट इज 30, एंड नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स की जगह पर हमें दिया गया है नेट इम्पोर्ट्स। तो नेट इम्पोर्ट्स के लिए हम नेट इम्पोर्ट की जगह प्लस की बजाय हम इसमें यूज करेंगे नेगेटिव साइन, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट हैविंग नेट एक्सपोर्ट, इंस्टीड ऑफ नेट एक्सपोर्ट वी हैव नेट इम्पोर्ट। तो नेट इम्पोर्ट को आपको नेगेटिव साइन के साथ में यहाँ पर लेना है। नेक्स्ट, इन सब का एडिशन करने के बाद में ऑल द पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज, ये जो बड़ी बड़ी वैल्यूज हैं 700, 300, 1000 प्लस 200, 1200 और 30 और -60, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस आई हैव टेकन -30, 1200 minus 30, that is 1170. This is NDP at MP. Now I convert market price into factor cost. For this conversion I need net indirect taxes, and the value of net indirect taxes will be deducted from the NDP MP. NDP MP, it is calculated 1170, and NIT it is already given 100. So 1170 minus 100, that is 1070, 1070 rupees in Arab. This is NDP at FC. NDP at FC is known as domestic income, but in the question we asked to calculate national income, and national income is NNP FC. So now we will convert the domestic value into national value, into national income. NNP FC will be calculated by adding NDP at FC plus NFIA. NFIA is net factor income from abroad. If it is given in term of from, then we will add, and if net factor income to abroad is given, then we will subtract this value. Okay, NDP at FC is calculated 1070, and in our question we have given the net factor income to abroad. Okay, so net factor income to abroad will be subtracted. It will be subtracted from this value. So 1070 minus 20, the answer is 1050 rupees. This is the national income estimated with the help of expenditure method.